Good morning, my beautiful budding bakers. Today we are doing something rather delicious and delectable because I'm looking outside and it is sunny, it is beautiful, it is reminding me of tennis and Wimbledon and strawberries and cream. What are we doing today, lads? We are doing strawberry cheesecake. Kaboom! Look at that beauty. That is heavenly. Now, this is for you, Joanne, in Glanmire, but also Jude. I don't think I could have actually matched the being memorable day, but I have. My eldest has got my hair. So can you see, lads, my beautiful hair? Now, I'm not showing you the back because I look like an acorn. So there is a touch of this lovely ridge going all the way around my head. But I did managed to get rid of the locks. I was really, I suppose, auditioning for Peaky Blinders because the hair behind my ears is still gone. And you just see the state of it. Ian, my beautiful hairdresser, I am so looking forward to seeing you on the 20th of July. You have no idea, lads, how brave I am. Come on now, lads. Is there anyone else out there brave enough to get their daughter to cut their hair? I would like to know. So today, on that fruity note, we're going to start with our strawberry cheesecake, our memorable strawberry cheesecake. We had one bin day, but today, Jude, this is for you. This is Trisha's haircut day. Now, so we have got our strawberry cheesecake. We are starting with 250 grams of digestive biscuits, 120 grams of melted butter, and 30 grams of caster sugar. Now I have to speed this up because I don't want to hear speed it up. I don't want you to be here all day, but also this takes time to chill. So I have blitzed my digestive biscuits. I have added 30 grams of caster sugar. I have stirred this into my dry, crunched digestive biscuits. I have then added 120 melted butter, and I'm going to put this back into the fridge as it's chilling because we need to have a chilled base before we add our delicious goo. So 10 minutes and I shall put this back into the fridge. Ta-da-dum! While you look at that magnificent cheesecake that beholds you. And I'm back again. Now, I am showing this in sequence because a lot of people are put off by cheesecake because they think, oh my God, this is a no-bake cheesecake. Absolutely fantastic in weather like this. It is boom, 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 mise en place, everything in its way. So we have got, starting with our cream cheese, we have got 200 grams of cream cheese. We have 135 thing that's going to go into our mixer, followed by 300 mils of cream, followed by a tub of mascarpone cheese. I am so lucky because David Collins down in SuperValu is within walking distance and their team and staff are amazing. So I got my mascarpone and cream this morning. I have 450 grams of frozen strawberries, which I have blitzed in a blender, but there's another je ne sais quoi. Look what I have added. Now, this is the last of my VERAs, and that's why I had to put it into a bag. These are freeze-dried strawberries. So, 20 grams, says she, look at that, throwing it everywhere. 20 grams of these dried, freezed strawberries are also blitzed in your food processor. So they go like snuff, they go like really, really fine powder. I add that to the 450 blitzed strawberries. Don't panic, I shall have everything up on the side on Facebook. Followed by our gelatin mix. Now, our gelatin mix is 1 sachet of Oetker, and I've also used 1 sachet of a sugar-free strawberry gelatin. So between the two of them together, I have sprinkled over 150 mils of water, okay? So 150 mils of cold water goes in first, followed by sprinkling of your jelly sachet, followed by your gelatin, and you leave that for 5 minutes. You can see how solid it goes. That we're going to be zapped in the microwave for 30 seconds towards the end of our mix. And I've got half a lemon, so about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice as well to give it a bit of a punch. So lads, let's get cracking. So to start with, we are doing the most divine, delicious no-bake strawberry cheesecake. So in goes our cream cheese. So we've got our cream cheese, 200 grams of cream cheese. In goes our caster sugar, 135 grams of caster sugar. I'm sounding very nasal this morning, very Dublin for. Sorry, Dublin crew. And on this goes, and all I'm doing is I'm mixing our cream cheese and sugar. A bit of that, clean as you go, clean as you go. And if I push this high super loosely, you might be able to spot, just to show you the consistency I'm looking for. Go in and just zoom. Now, the next thing that is going to go in is our cream. In goes all our cream. So, as the cream is cooking, I also want to have that slightly whipped cream effect in that. I don't want it looking like milk. I want another few, maybe another minute for it to thicken up before I add the mascarpone. And I'll speed it up a little bit. So you can see you have got your cream cheese, you've got your caster sugar, and you've got your 300 mils of cream. Nearly there. You can see that it's getting that little bit sloppier. And there's no real fear of over whipping or even under whipping because it will settle itself in the fridge. And then I'll turn it down just because I can spot there's a little bit of the cream cheese that's still not quite blended. So I'm just going to use the spatula and scrape it down. I think we are doing amazingly well during this pandemic. It's amazing what back in the 1940s everyone was cutting their hair. As I said, Peaky Blinders, eat your heart out, except didn't anticipate the airborne head look this morning. Going in. So this is where, so it is still quite a soft mix. And in goes my mascarpone. This is a beautiful mascarpone. And again, the whole lot goes in. Bang! So I want the mascarpone blended in with the cream. It's nearly there. It has that gorgeous hue. Okay, and in goes my pureed strawberry mix. And don't forget now, I've added 20 grams of VERA's Blitz dried strawberries just to give it an extra punch. You do not have to add your dried fruit, but I'm telling you now, it is a game changer, my new word, a game changer. I'm going to lift it up so you can see this beautiful Knickers pink. And now, the gelatin that we melted, sprinkled earlier, we're going to melt now. We're going to put it into the microwave for about 30 seconds. So 30 seconds, zapped into our micro. And while we're waiting for that, we're going to add our lemon juice. And down it goes again. And in it goes, a little bit at a time. This is just to give an added sharpness. You've already got your strawberries in it, and I actually think it enhances. You don't have to put in the lemon juice. But this must be my 6th strawberry cheesecake. And Anna, in Spain, this is for you. I think I've nailed the cheesecake. It only took me about 8 weeks. So, microwave. Let's have a look. Now, this is where it just needs maybe another 10 seconds. Can you see where it's not completely, hold on. What I don't want is any lumps whatsoever of my gelatin. And actually the residual heat is continuing to melt. It's not too hot, the container, so it's not going to affect your cheesecake. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slowly, it's actually melted all, but slowly pour it in to my mix. And what's lovely is rather than using 2 sachets of gelatin, I've used the 1 sachet of gelatin, but I've pimped up the strawberry flavour again with another sachet of flavoured gelatin. And I do think it makes a difference. And you get that beautiful pop of strawberry flavour. Lads, we're nearly there, we're nearly there. Just give it one last to make sure that it's completely. Now, as strawberry cheesecakes go, it is still under 500, calories a slice. So technically you could have it for your breakfast. Or you could even have it for your lunch. Lads, look at this. Pink strawberry soup, anyone? Now, we have been chilling our cheesecake biscuit cake mix in the fridge. 2 minutes and I'll get it back again. Now you do need to leave this sit for 15 minutes at least in the fridge. So this has been chilling that little bit earlier, and all I'm doing is I am pouring the strawberry cheesecake. Make sure that every last bit of it is poured in. The only thing I have done with the tin, it's a 9-inch loose bottom tin. Loose bottom, I say, Trish, steady on. But it's a loose bottom tin. What's great about it is that it does have a release spring form, so it does make it easier. So all I've done is I've lined it with greaseproof paper and I have smeared butter on the base around the sides. I haven't lined the base. It's a non-stick tin. Lads, it's a non-stick tin. It's fantastic, but it has a spring release, which makes it much easier for cheesecakes in particular. So with this cheesecake in mind, it will take 24 hours for it to set. So I have one prepared earlier, so stay with me. Bring this one back into the fridge. We do a bit of a swap. Very carefully, this is going to go into the fridge. And Lucy can look at that beautiful strawberry cheesecake on the plate while I put this in the fridge. I'll just show you where we have our strawberry cheesecake. I have cut a slice and then I have decorated with a swirl of cream and some strawberries. Now with the strawberries, all I have done with the strawberry, just a little trick, just for decorating. Now, got my knife. Push this to the side, just for decorating purposes. It's just so that you'd see. So, cut your strawberry in half, lie it on its belly, and all I'm doing then is I'm slicing little fan all the way down, and then you can fan out your strawberry and you have a lovely little decoration, just like we did on the strawberry cheesecake. So lads, today will be remembered haircut of the year. Ian, my amazing hairdresser, I cannot wait to see you on the 20th of July. Today was Strawberry Cheesecake Day. Tomorrow is something different. Who knows? I'll see you tomorrow at 10.